We will continue exploring the physical properties of ionic structures. Ionic compounds tend to be insoluble in organic solvents. Insoluble is the opposite of soluble, so when the solvent is organic, the ionic compound won't be able to dissolve in it. Organic solvents include acetone and any other liquid than water. So there is alcohol, there is acetone or hydrocarbons found in labs, but not water. Water is not an organic solvent. So as we said, the ionic compounds do not dissolve in organic solvents. Ionic compounds don't conduct electricity when they are solids. So when ionic compounds are in the solid phase, they don't conduct electricity. But then the question is, when do they conduct electricity? Consider this figure. 3 beakers are connected to 3 lamps. There are different substances in each beaker. The first beaker contains distilled water. And notice that the lamp does not glow. So no conduction of electricity. In the second beaker, there is positive and negative ions fixed in a solid state. So they are in the solid state, and we know that the ionic structure doesn't conduct electricity in the solid state, so the lamp does not glow. In the third beaker, there are positive and negative ions, but dissolved in solution. So they are not in the solid state. The lamp glows, and therefore in solution, when ions dissolve in solution, positive and negative ions conduct a current.